I'm pretty sure you heard many times that one of your priorities should be to grow your email list. So in this video, let's talk about lead generation. I want to show you a tool that is a must-have tool in case you have a website, in case you want to grow your email list, because this tool will skyrocket your lead generation. And in this video as well, I'll show you all the reasons why this tool is a game changer and will change the game for your business. Anyway, I'm Alessandro. I'm the founder of the Escape 9 to 5 Club, and I'm here to teach consultants, coaches, mentors, business owners how to get clients online and how to generate profit for your business. Welcome back to the Escape 9 to 5 show. The tool I will show you in a second is a pop-up tool, and if you're a subscriber of this channel, you know how important user experience is for me. If a tool is simple to use, if a tool is effective, and if a tool make a difference, then I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna promote it on this channel. And today on this video, this is the case. And if instead you are not a subscriber of this channel, well, subscribe right now, because you're gonna get a lot of great videos and I will do my best to give you all the information you need to get clients online and to grow your business. Anyway, let's talk about this tool. The tool I want to present to you today is called Classpo. And to make you understand how simple it is to use and how effective it is, I will jump on my computer or my laptop here and I will show you how to create a pop-up from scratch, how simple it is, how quick it is, and why you should start using this tool right now if you don't have a pop-up generator for your website. As I said, Classpo will make you create pop-ups that are highly converting for your website. It's really simple to use. As you can see here is a drag and drop system, so you don't need to have any coding or design skills because Classpo does everything for you. Anyway, I want to create a pop-up from scratch and show you the entire process. And then I leave it to you to decide if this is a game changer or not. Let's get into my dashboard and let's create a new widget from scratch. Let's click on the big red button, new widget, and I can decide to start from their template library or start from scratch. I want to show you how big is their template library. Look at this. You have more than 700 templates that you can use and everything is organized. You can choose a pop-up through the use case. Maybe you want to create a pop-up to promote a special offer, or maybe you want to collect an email address, or maybe you want to use gamification. I don't know if you have this on your website, but if you don't have gamification, let me show you why this will make you attract leads like crazy. If I click on the gamification filter and I see all the templates that I have here, first of all, take a look. How many? Right? Now, one of the most popular gamification tools that you can use is this one. This that you can see here. This is a spinning wheel. How does it work? Well, it's extremely simple to understand. When someone adds their email address and their name or whatever you want to get from them, they will have the chance to spin the wheel and they can get a discount in this case. Like they can try their luck and get a discount or a coupon code for a product that you have. So let's say that you have a low ticket product, something that is below $50. They can spin the wheel and they can get, for example, 10% discount on this product. Imagine how many sales you will get apart from the leads that you will get from this one. And for each pop-up that you can create here, you can see the sign up screen, you can see the success screen, you can see if someone is already subscribed, and you can see the error. Okay, and at the same time, you can take a look at how it looks on mobile. Look how responsive this is. And it's already done for you. You don't have to do anything. So let's go back and let's try something simpler. And by the way, look here, you have everything organized for layout. So you have pop-ups, floating box, floating bars, built-in widgets. You have a lot, right? And you have them organized for industry. So you can choose your industry here and you will have all the pop-ups here organized for industry. Or let's imagine that you want to create a pop-up just for Halloween. Well, you choose the theme here and right now you have all the pop-ups that you can use for Halloween. You have all the other holidays, possible situations when you can give a discount like Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You have everything in here and everything is already created for you. You just have to choose one of them. And obviously you can tweak, you can change any part that you don't like here. You can change color, style, font, add new elements, but let me show you that it's easier. So let's say that I want to create a simple collect email address pop-up on my website, and I want a floating box. So that kind of box that is on the corner of the page. As usual, you have a lot of templates here that you can choose. For sake of time, let's pick the first one that I have, this one. So let's start with this widget. And by the way, I'm gonna remove myself from the window here, otherwise you can't see the entire screen. Now I have here my widget. It's already there. You can already see how it is. You can see the success status and the error status. Let's start with the request status, the first thing that people will see when they visit your website or a specific page that you decide. This is how they see it on mobile. This is how they see it on laptop. Right, let's start working on this one, should we? We can choose the color scheme. So if I click here, I can choose the colors I want for this, and it will change automatically. I decide to use this template, and then I get into the editor mode. I can change everything I want about this pop-up here. I can change the title, the image, the fields that I have in here. For example, I don't need this field. Choose vacancy. I just want a normal pop-up to sign up for a program that I have. So let's remove this field because I don't need it. And I don't need to ask for their employment type. Let's remove this. Something that I need here, for example, is a phone number, request phone number. So I can add it here, and you even have the widget to choose from what country they are adding the phone. And look how many components you have on the left-hand side. You have the usual one like text, container, images, but then you have as well drop-down checkboxes. Phone number, as I said, calendar. You can add a calendar. You can add a date if someone wants to pick a date on the calendar. Imagine if you want to schedule a call with someone, you can already put the calendar in there. And you have a lot of others like countdown, slider, promo code, video. You can tweak and change and personalize this as you wish. For example, I want to add a countdown because it's important for me to put a deadline on this possibility here that I give. I can choose the expiration date, or I can choose to make it evergreen. So the countdown will start from the moment the person will see the page. But let's say that I want this to expire in a couple of days. And I click on done. I want to show the days, obviously. Now I have a countdown there. 2 days, 23 hours, and this offer will basically expire when this is gonna hit 0. I ask for the name, for the email address, for the phone number. Let me change this image and put the image on my program. I can make this fit with the window. Let's change the title and let's call this my 30-day roadmap. And I already have it. It's already there. It's done. It took me less than a couple of minutes. I can decide many other things here. Again, I want you to test it, okay? I want you to spend some time here because you can do everything you want here. You can choose how big it is, how large it is, how tall it is, on which part of the screen you want to put it. You have so many things here to choose, and trust me, you can make this look as you wish, or you can just take the template and use it without changing anything. Now, it looks pretty good for mobile and desktop, so I want to save it and I want to move to the next page. Next page is about triggering. For example, on which pages I want to show this pop-up, or after how many seconds. Let me edit this so I will make you see how many things you can choose here. I can choose to show it only once, for example. These are all the conditions that I can add here, like spend time on the website 20 seconds, I think is a good thing. Or the time spent on the website, or they read a specific percentage of the page. They visit a certain number of pages. There's so many things, or I can put it on exit intent when someone with the mouse is getting out of the window and this will appear. And then I can decide when to stop displaying it. Look at this. I can show it just for selected locations, countries, regions, cities. I can choose even that. Imagine how powerful this is when you start using it, and you have so many other things. Oh, one thing that I didn't say, this tool uses AI to translate automatically language. If I visit this from the UK or I visit this from Italy, I will see it on different languages depending on where I connect from. I can switch this off, but if I want it, and I suggest you to use it because people will come to your website from different locations, I want you to use their language, and it works really well. And then the last thing that I want to show you is integrations. You can integrate this tool with basically everything you may think about. You can integrate this with CRMs, every CRM you have in mind, or you can use this on every website, either you're using WordPress or not. You can even just get the script and you put the script in your website and it's gonna work. And you have so many integrations to choose from. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Okay, let's click on done. Now I have my widget here, it's ready to go. I can take a look at on analytics. I can see the unique views for this pop-up, how many people took action with this widget. I can see how many conversions, right? I can see how many people decided to go through it. And I can use A/B testing to test two different types of widgets. So I can decide which one I want to leave working on my website because it's the one that is converting the most. There are so many other things that you can do here. And if you're not using something like this on your website, you are basically crazy, especially because with gamification, now it's incredibly simple to get leads on your website. Anyway, if you scroll below this video, you will find my affiliate link. And with that affiliate link, you will get a 20% discount on Classpo. So use it, please, because you're going to spare some money and it's going to be a win-win situation because it's my affiliate link. So I will get paid for letting you know about this tool. So everyone wins, everyone is happy. And if you have any questions about this tool, please put your questions and your feedback and your opinions in the comments, because if I can help you in the comments, I will do it. I want you to use the best out there because I use the best out there, and I want you to use the same because we win as a team inside the Escape 9 to 5 Club. Let me know your impressions, let me know your opinion, let me know your questions. I will address all of them in the comments. And obviously subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Please do that because as you can see, I try to help you as much as possible. And use Classpo. This tool is gonna change the game for your website, I assure you that. Or at least give it a try and then let me know if I'm right or not. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.